Hello, students and traders. Welcome to another session of the All-Round Analyst with FX Panzy. I'll be your host on this session. I'm the captain of this flight, and let's navigate the waters of the Forex market. All right, before we get started, confirm you can hear my voice and you can see my screen. Or you can just type in a Y or yes, or send me the message. Okay, one message coming in. All right, yes. All right, let's get started. Okay, so yesterday we looked at three pairs, and starting with the Euro-US dollar. Fortunately, it didn't meet our entry criteria. Okay, we're looking at possibility of the market continuing bullish, but it melted down bearish. And at this point, we can only expect market to come down to this level. I can't look to short this market now. It's so close to the zone, so I'd wait for the market to maybe come into the zone. Okay, maybe drop into the zone. See some signs of a push away. That's what I'll watch out for, the Wyckoff, and then look to go bullish. That's option one. Option two is that it is going to break through this level. When it breaks through, then I have a confirmed bearish structure, and then from there we would look for begin to watch out for excuse me, supply zones. Maybe this one might be a supply zone, then maybe this other one might be a supply zone or something around these levels. And we'll watch out for this zone, see how the market will come back into them, give us the reversals by way of Wyckoff or any other reversal confirmation, and then we'll look to enter the market. So for now, in my opinion, the Euro-US dollar is not ready for me. It might be a good one to set an alarm somewhere around here so we can know when the market enters the zone and we can get ready for it. So let's do this. Can put an alarm here. Okay, see this. Add alert. Okay, so when the market enters that zone, it becomes a point of interest for us. Okay. Looking at the market on the 4-hour, down. Keep it there. For those of us who like to be swing traders, okay? Now for the pound US dollar, we have something similar, okay? We're looking at the possibility of the market coming to this level before willingness to continue the down move. This was definitely on the 1-hour, so let's go back to the 1-hour and see how it looks. Okay, this couldn't have been on the 1-hour, it must have been on the 15 minutes. Let's look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, this was the other block on the 15 minutes. We're looking at the possibility of the market coming to this level before melting down bearish. Okay, it didn't come there, it broke this level. At the break of this level, gave us a new other block here, which is this one. Okay, or rather a new supply zone, which is this one here. That's it. And obviously that level was mitigated at this point. Market is testing that level again, and expect to see prices melt from this point. Okay, but I'll wait for some more confirmation if I'm to consider trading this. Maybe I'd want to see not just a break of this level, but a breakdown of that level, a pullback, a second break. So I'm entering on the second break. Then I would watch out for another pullback, and that would be my entry. Maybe somewhere here, the supply zones up here, or entering with a sell limit. I wait for the market to come into this level, and then on its way down, I enter with a sell stop. So that'll be my setup for the pound US dollar. Why am I looking to sell? Why am I looking to sell? I'm looking to sell because the market is showing me signs that it wants to head for this zone down here. These are our target zones, and those are the points where I'm expecting the market to get to before I anticipate a bullish reversal. Okay, so let's see what's the distance from current market price to that level. See, okay, about 100 pips, not bad. Market were to head for the second level, that's about 176 pips. Good enough, nice move to want to jump on. So it's one to consider. Okay, so that's the GU for me. For now, there's nothing here. Nothing here. So I could set an alarm. Let's see. I set up an alarm here. So now let's here just at this low. Maybe considering I might be considering jumping on this or jumping in on this. If it plays out when I'm still around my screen, fine. If not, I might have to go swing trading for the GU also, just like the EU. Okay, another pair we looked at yesterday was the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And let's see what it looks like today. Let's see if you can remember our analysis of yesterday. Okay, the market did this yesterday. The market opened up and opened up at this level and came down trying to close the gap. So you see there was an obvious gap here, trying to close the gap, hasn't done that successfully yet. Market has continued to linger here, an incredibly long consolidation. Okay, now in my opinion, this market is not, it's very indecisive. Okay, it's a consolidation, quite indecisive. Uh, quite indecisive. So the market is still within this zone. Now, I cannot say for sure if this market is going bullish or bearish, okay? But for the market, for me to consider this market as being bullish, it must break out of this zone. Remember, we have a zone here. Let's go back to larger time frame. I think it's a 4 hour. Okay, we have a zone here, a large zone here, which the market rejected from, but it didn't get to 50%. Now it has gotten to 50%. Okay. Pound US dollar crossing. All right, so the pound US dollar is moving. Okay, we'll look at that. Let's finish here. We'll go back there. Okay, so we see that the market has come into the zone. It hadn't made 50%, not until this week. Finally made 50% mitigation. The 50% mitigation, let's see, it's confirmed 50%. Better is view. So it has gone confirmed 50%, and now we can say that this zone is completely mitigated, okay? So it therefore means that we expect to see reversals here, reversals to the bearish side, okay? So we'll consider shorts, but I would only consider shorts after the market has taken out this level. Why? Because the market has a strong possibility of coming down just to fill up this gap, just fill up this gap. And after filling up the gap, you might want to continue higher. So I want to see a break below this level first before I consider this market for short entries. Okay. On the other hand, excuse me. On the other hand, I would consider longs in the event that the market goes up and breaks out of this zone to the top side. Breaking out of this zone will tell me that this reversal zone has been invalidated, and then I can begin to look for longs. Okay. At that point, I'll then have to ask myself, where is the next level to watch out for bullish wise? So let's just look at that real quick and see if we can find some. Remember, this is on the 4 hour. We might not even get a break in the next couple of days, okay? In the event the market breaks above this, I'll be watching out for this level here. This will be my next level to watch out for, because that is the zone that brought this heavy move to the downside, okay? And you can see so far so good. The orders here have not been mitigated. They have not been mitigated. So likely the market might maybe do this, break in here, mitigate these orders before dropping down significantly, okay? So those are my two perspectives on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so let's go back to the GU. Heard an alert. Our alert's been triggered. What was our alert? I think our alert was on the 15 minutes. Okay, it was on the 15 minutes. Let's see. Strong down move. 15 minutes. See what it looks like. Okay. All right. Okay, so strong down move, strong down push. The market has taken out this level. Okay. So, like I said, I want to see, I do not want to consider coming here and then buying. No, I want to see a break above this one and I come back and then move away. Okay, so remember this is our highest point, so this should be our U-tag. So this is a push away. Okay, it has broken market structure. I want to enter. Okay, there's a possibility of entering at this point, this level here, when the market comes back to test this supply zone. But because I want some extra level of confirmation, I want to see the market push away from here. Give me another break of structure here. So this would be a break of structure to the bearish side. We've had one already. Break of structure to the bearish side. That's what triggered the alarm. Okay. I want to see it have a second break of structure to the bearish. So I want to have a pullback first, maybe to the other, maybe to this supply zone, refined supply zone, or even this entire zone. A pullback of any sort, a push away, a break below this current low, and then it goes below. Sorry, it goes below and comes to break the low. Then I would watch out for an entry at this point. Okay, that with this one, I have some level of better confirmation that this market is ready to melt. And then my target will be where my target will be somewhere down here. So this is going to be my trade setup. It's going to be somewhere here. Okay, when this one comes up, maybe another block here. Okay. And that would be my entry. Entry will be at this point, somewhere around here. Okay, stop loss would be, I'll still place my stop loss above this high, not necessarily this one, still above this high just to be on the safe side. Okay, and then my target will be all the way down here, giving me a nice 1 to 5. Okay, put it right here. Gives me about 1 to 6. Okay, that's fine. Never wanting too much, never asking for too much. Or I can target these levels down here. I get this level down here, and from this point, the moment the market gets to this point, I should be looking to partial and begin to break even, begin to lock in profit, see how we manage our trade all the way down there. Okay, so right now I need to set an alert, and my alert is going to be for market is still melting. I'll bring my alert for this level. I want to see markets give me 50% of this block, this entire up move before the down move. Remember, this is an entire up move. This up move is what has brought this down move. Okay, so I don't want to just limit it to this candle for now. I want to look at this entire up move. Okay, so I want to see 50% of that. When the market gives me 50%, I would be interested in watching this market. So I want to add an alert here now. So we get ready for it. Okay, so that's our level. Add an alert and we are ready. Okay. So that's for the EU, GU, and the CAD yen. Those are the pairs I'm watching for now, paying attention to. And if there's any other one you want me to look at, or you want us to look at together. Otherwise, if you have any questions, in the absence of that, I can easily say I am done for the day or for this morning session. Okay, any question? Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, no questions. All right, thank you very much. All right, so this is where I leave you and love you. Keeping it short and simple, under 15 minutes. Have the best trading day. And never force to trade. It's FX Panzy, and I'm out.